Good afternoon. My name is Thomas. This is a presentation of the Hive Minds AI systems. So today's agenda is to introduction of the Hive Mind system, the key advantages, the architecture of the Hive Mind system, flow of a typical query, and the use cases, future direction, and the summary of, and I'll show the demo. The summary of the Hive Mind AI. So my name is Thomas, and I am the creator of the Hive Mind AI. So what is a Hive Mind AI? Hive Mind AI is a single central intelligence AI, which is the Queen AI that receives user queries and decide how to break them down into subtasks, or you can call them agents. And these subtasks AI are then handed off to subordinate AI. Each has an expert in a particular domain who do the heavy lifting, and the Queen AI ensures everything fits together seamlessly. So here are the key advantages of the Hive Mind AI. Easily adds more is scalability, easily add more subordinate AI for new domains, efficiency, parallel processing of subtasks, transparency, clear reasoning chain through centralized oversight, and then consistency. The Queen AI ensures cohesive final answers. So what is the architecture of the overview of the architecture? First is the user will provide a input, and then the input will go to the Queen AI, and then it would give a it will split into parts and dispatch them to the worker AI. So the Queen AI will dispatch the input of your coordination, and you just will have a testing decomposition to the worker AI, telling the AI what to do. There will be a algorithm for that. And then the worker AI will fetch the data for you and run simulations or analyze inputs, and then it will send back results back to the Queen AI, and then the Queen AI then compiles a final and cohesive answer to present to the user. So here's the input again, is the user will type in the input, and the Queen AI will do the task decomposition, schedule, or coordinate the task, and then it will pass the task to the worker AIs. There will be domain-specific reasoning like finance, compliance, scenario, etc., and data analysis, tooling, calling, code analysis, and then it will the worker AI will fetch the data, run simulations, and then send back the results, and then compile the final answer, and then present the answer to the user. So what's the typical flow of the query or the input? First, you put input what is the best asset allocation in moderate risk portfolio next year. And then the Queen AI will check allow topic that identify the needs needed. And then the worker AI will have a risk analysis, market trend, compliance, and the worker AI performs the task and return the findings. And then Queen AI integrates results and produces a final explanation. Here, the use cases for the Hive Mind AI is financial advisory, like asset allocation, risk assessment, and compliance checks, and healthcare decision support, differential diagnostic, treatment, plan suggestion, medical literature retrieval, and then legal research, case law summary, a compliance verification, and scenario analysis, and then supply chain optimization, inventory forecast, routine planning, regulatory compliance. Here are some applications for it. And then what are the future direction that I'm going to be using? is you can add more AI workers for new domains, which I implemented today, but you can add more, and you can be specify what kind of tasks the AI will be doing. You can improve autonomous adaptation. Queen AI can learn which AI worker yields the best results, which I'll add to the next iter date. Enhance multilingual support deploy on various devices. Thank you, and I'm going to show the demo now. Oh, here's the demo. So first, example that I'll be doing for the demo is for what's the best asset allocation for a moderate risk portfolio next year. So let's just say I need a task name for this Mind Hive AI stock portfolio portfolio, and then I need to do the how many agents first, and then what's the best asset allocation for a moderate risk portfolio next year. And then if you are done, just press done. And here's gonna process the query. Please wait. Okay, here's the first result from the Queen task. So as you can see, here's the steps that it will ask for the work AI. First is do a step one, initialize analysis of the task. Step two is portfolio strategy AI, which is giving the second agent what they're going to do. And here are some integration plan and final delivery to provide for the folio forecast. Okay, so first subordinate task. The subordinate task will follow the which is a economic analysis AI. First, you'll find the global GDP and also EU and the central bank, and then performance expectation for equity, fixed income, and things like that. And then second AI is a portfolio strategist. It would moderate risk asset allocation. It would find the optimum allocation. For example, they suggest 30% large cap for next year, emerging market equity for 10%, and international developer is 10%. And then here is the final portfolio allocation. And here's a summary of the findings for the task. So this is just a final portfolio from the Queen AI. The Queen AI said 50%, 30% US cap, and then the final suggestion is 34% bonds, and alternative is 10% and cash, which is 5% gold and 5% it REITs. So what it does, the final output will provide what the agent one and two are doing, and then the Queen AI will provide the final result. Okay, okay, let's start another one. I'm gonna stop this and then we'll go again. Right now, it's just gonna be a single prompt, but in the future, it will be a continuous prompt. Okay, so let's just say you want to have a trip to Tokyo, and you want to know how what you can go, but you have to be specific. So what you do is this is going to be a travel guide to, for a 5-day trip to Tokyo for the task name. And then please, I'm gonna type, I have this already typed up. Just I'm gonna copy and paste and press done. And we'll wait for the process. Okay, here is the request. And what you'll do is try to provide this to the subordinate or worker AI. Okay, it'll provide the suggestion for each day. For example, first day arrival, pop culture, Akahaba, and then second day, here's the final travel guide. Here's the final travel guide. Okay, give me a second. Aha, perfect. Okay, so at the end, we'll provide the travel guide for this. For example, it's first day you arrive, do the pop culture Akahaba, and then it'll give you lunch and evening, and then modern Japan, Shibuya and Harajuku will provide, and also the third day your classical culture meets fun, and then you need to specifically about the bridge, which here it provides the suggestions for on the day 4, and then here here's the hotel recommendation that it provided. And interesting enough, boom, right here, it says it needs to be close to the Rainbow Bridge view, which is provided here. And make sure that it'll have EDM music scenes. Aha, here. For the evening, EDM, you go to Makra Akahaba anime theme EDM, which is a specific what we ask for and actually provide that for now for that, and then you actually give you some very delicious gourmet food spots. For example, here Takayukatsu Matsumaru or Ichi Ramen Shabuya here. Okay, this is the demo for this software. This is very powerful, especially when you get um, multiple suggestions or analysis using different agents, and then this is perfect for that. So just remember, this architecture is user, it will provide to the queen, which is a task decomposition, and then it will provide the queen AI will provide different tasks. For example, um, the other AI for the I will have two different one. One is the strategic portfolio analysis, and the other one was analyze another agent. So that's very powerful. And then so Worker AI will have a domain-specific reasoning like finance, compliance, scenario, and then it will gather the result and provide to the Queen AI, and the Queen AI will provide to the user. Okay, that is the end of this meeting demo. Thank you. Bye.